My tomatillos are looking good, growing nice and big, but they need some support. As you can see, they're hanging all over the place. Kind of behind on my support system. The one I had last year kind of messed up and kind of broke. I had too much weight on it. I was gonna do a whole nother thing, but time is not gonna be that kind to me, so I'm gonna make it almost like I did before using my PVC pipe. I kind of started on it, and you'll see in a few minutes what's up. All right, here's my tomatillos. I set up the trellis system. So as you can see, I'm a mixture of wire and PVC pipe. We're kind of seeing what's up. This should be fine. Last year I had my Malabar spinach on it, and it just destroyed. The PVC pipe wasn't strong enough. It got way too big. I've grown tomatillos in this spot before, and they didn't require much, but so this should be fine. I also have some tomatoes and bell peppers. All are going to be strung up on here later. Okay, so I've put some more supports for my bell peppers. See, I'm tying everything up to strings. Also for my tomatillos, I'm using the same string method to support the tomatillos. And in the process, I found some tomatoes that were hiding inside of here as well. The tomato plants. There's no fruit yet, but with some care, maybe I should get some. And then once I finished that, then I started moving over to the other part of the system, and I'm cut this one back already, strung this tomato plant up. Now I'm going to get rid of, or prune back the Malabar spinach so I can give some support to this tomato. Then I'm going to put up a different string system to support the Malabar spinach over here. All right, so I've pruned back the spinach and I've trellised up the tomatoes. In the process, I found there was a lot of tomatoes on here. I was quite surprised how many tomatoes were on here. And this plant actually was a volunteer plant. Last year I planted a tomato plant here. I kind of let it just go and stuff just fall, and it just reseeded and started back up, and it's going really strong. So far I'm having a really good tomato year. Last year I didn't have very many, but hopefully I get a lot in before it gets too hot.